So let's say you're worried about your retirement savings because maybe you're hearing about the banks having problems, or some are saying that we might have a recession. So you're looking at a way to keep your money safe, which is why you're considering the idea of getting precious metals like gold and silver through a gold IRA. But is this even a good idea? In this video, we're going to give you the pros and cons, including a massive detail that could be the ultimate deciding factor for you. But to explain, let's make sure we're on the same page. So to recap, a gold-backed IRA, or just a gold IRA for short, is a lot like your normal retirement savings account, but with a special change. It has real gold coins or bars in it instead of stuff like stocks or bonds. So instead of dealing with digits in a computer, you're dealing with actual physical gold and silver here. But it gets more interesting because once you start a gold IRA and you put some money into it, you get to pick which gold coins or bars you want to buy. It's kind of like being in the driver's seat of your own money vehicle, giving you control that you might not have with other kinds of retirement accounts. Are you ready to take the wheel and learn more about the pros and cons of a gold IRA? All right, let's get started. Gold is really special and has lots of good things going for it. Here are the top 4 things about gold I think you'll love. From way back in history, gold has been a symbol of wealth. But not just that, it's been a really reliable way to keep money safe during difficult times. Right now, we're dealing with periods where prices of things keep rising fast and fears about a recession are causing worry. During these unsure times, gold steps up and continues to be a reliable and safe choice for lots of people. Here's another amazing thing about gold. It's really good at keeping its purchasing power steady over time. This makes it an incredibly useful tool to fight back against inflation, which is when the cost of everything goes up. Let's dig into some facts for a moment now. Since President Nixon made a major decision in 1971 that changed things, the value of gold has skyrocketed by an astounding 5,000%. Meanwhile, the ability of the US dollar to buy stuff has suffered a blow and gone down by 87%. It's really hard to imagine, right? But it's true. Now try to think about how powerful gold could be if prices keep rising and rising. It could be the game changer that we all need. When we invest our money, it's easy to just stick to things we know like stocks and bonds, or maybe just one kind of investment fund. But what if Wall Street or the economy stumbles? To stay safe, we can invest in different types of things spread across different industries and even different parts of the world. This can help protect our money better. But guess what? Gold can be a big help here. Adding gold to your investments makes it more varied and can lower the chances of losing money. Gold is traded all around the world and the trading never stops. It's happening 24/7. This means that gold you have at home can be sold quickly, just like cash, whenever you need to. Whether it's at a nearby shop that buys coins, a jewelry store, or even international markets, gold can be turned into cash super fast when you need money. Investing in gold itself has many benefits, but there's more. A gold-backed IRA, or simply a gold IRA, adds even more cool perks. Here are 4 of them you just might want to know about. Just like other IRA accounts, a gold IRA lets your money grow without having to pay taxes on it. The only time you'll pay taxes is when you take money out, and it will be taxed at your normal income tax rate. This could end up being lower than the special tax rate for collectibles that you'd have to pay if you sold gold outside of an IRA. So that's important to keep in mind. Do you already have some money saved for retirement in a tax-advantaged account like an IRA, 401k, or the like? Well, then great news. You can legally move that money into a gold IRA. The IRS will even let you do it tax-free. This gives you a chance to keep your retirement savings safe with gold. It's like having a safety net made of gold to protect your future. A gold-backed IRA makes purchasing and selling gold a breeze. With trusted partners like Goldco, the safety and security of your gold are assured, and selling is just as straightforward. Unlike electronic or paper assets, the gold in your gold-backed IRA is a tangible physical asset. It's real, hold in your hand, heavy as lead, solid gold. So it's not just a figure on a screen, but a real piece of value you can hold in your hands. Now this all sounds good, but there are some drawbacks. So let's get into the downsides of a gold IRA. Every coin has two sides, and a gold-backed IRA is no exception. Here are a few potential drawbacks. Unfortunately, you cannot keep the gold in your IRA at home due to IRS rules. If you've dreamt of having your gold within arm's reach, you might prefer a direct cash purchase of gold instead. Maintaining a gold IRA is not free. You'll be expected to pay account maintenance and storage fees each year, which could impact your overall gains, especially if your account is on the smaller side. Gold does not offer dividends like some stocks do. If you're an investor who enjoys the periodic cash flow from dividends, gold might not be your cup of tea. Deciding on a gold-backed IRA boils down to your financial circumstances and goals. Gold can offer price growth, wealth protection, and serve as a safe haven asset. If you sense a serious recession around the corner, gold could be your financial knight in shining armor. But if you're betting on a booming stock market and rapid economic growth, well, you might not see gold as your knight in shining armor. Remember, having trusted partners can simplify the process of starting a gold-backed IRA. Like Goldco, with over $2 billion in precious metals placements and countless satisfied customers, has built a reputation for top-notch customer service and high-quality precious metals products. And to help you make the best decision for yourself, they're offering a free wealth protection kit to arm you with every bit of knowledge you need to know to make the right decision. There's no obligation to do anything that you don't want to, but at the very least, you should be educated about your options. And it's completely free to do that. So get your free wealth protection kit. Simply click on the link below or give Goldco a call today.